Welcome, everyone is a Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. And to get started, all you want to do is open up your web browser. I'm going to be using Chrome for this. I'm going to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and navigate to the history, where you will see all the applications or all the websites that you have opened recently. So you can tap on the X beside them to remove it from history, or you can also go to the clear browsing data section right here. Check whichever one you want. You have the cache images and files, cookies, sites, data, and then also browser history. So select which one you want, and also make sure you're selecting the correct time period right here. And by default it looks to be set to only last hour. So if you want to remove everything, make sure you select all time, and from here tap on clear data, and as you can see, it's been now completely cleared. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.